just wish I could sleep without dreaming.
Maybe you can. Maybe I could suggest a dream.
No.
Sure. It could be a dream about nothing.
What do you mean?
Nothing will happen. Nothing will change.
No, it's too risky.
It'll work. I know it will. I've seen it done before. I just hypnotize you.
I don't know.
We have no choice. Listen to the sound of my voice. Relax. Take yourself down. Farther. You feel relaxed and easy. That's it. You're floating. Now I'm going to tell you to go to sleep, and you will, but not until I say it. Everything is heavy. You'll try to lift your hand, but you can't. It's heavy. Oh, I think it's working, George. Now you're going to do some dreaming. You're going to have one effective dream. And it's going to be about... Oh, my God. I can't tell him to dream about nothing. In this dream, you will dream everything is okay. Dream the aliens off the moon. Tomorrow, when you awaken, you will feel rested and well. Now, go to sleep.
Alert. Aliens are invading. Invasion alert. Invasion alert.
George, wake up.
What?
Something's wrong.
What's the matter?
Don't you hear that?
What did you tell me to dream?
That everything's okay. The alien's off the moon.
That's it. They're off the moon. They're here. Come on, we gotta get back to Hayward.
Look, we're trying to get away from him.
Yeah, but now we have no choice. Turn on the radio.
And in retaliation, anti-alien ballistic missiles have been dispatched from our underground installations in Walla Walla, Washington, South Valley, California. It appears now from Command Center that the only part of their invasion is the state of Oregon. And this just in. The alien ships appear to be carrying a device that has taken control of our missile guidance systems.
Unimportant, we're back.
This is your doing, isn't it? You had a dream without me, didn't you? I told you this would happen, didn't I? I told you.
It's up to us now.
Look, go down to the basement, find the main generator, put your finger on the on-off button. If the power fails, you push it. Now go on.
I'll be all right, George.
Well, hit it, Haber.
George, something new. I want you to stop the invasion, George. Dream peace. Dream that we are at peace with everyone. Everyone. Antwerp! Come on.
Pardon me. Do not do to others what you wish others not to do to you.
Of course not. Of course not.
We are attempting to make a peaceful arrival. We do not have weapons. We are non-aggressive, unfighting species. Please tell others.
I can't control the Air Force, George. George!
Is this a military installation?
No. Well, no. George! George!
Please excuse accidental intrusion. Thank you very much.
Well, that wasn't so bad, was it?
Don't play games with me.
You look scared to death.
I've just about had it with you, Orr. This is no joke. I could have been killed.
Well, you should have thought of that before.
Your goddamn subconscious twists around everything I say.
He's just an alien. Nice guy. You were talking with him. Well, I feel good. I'm starving. I'm going to get something to eat. Find Heather. You want a sandwich?
What about the invasion?
You heard them. They're friendly. Weren't you supposed to make a phone call or something?
Yes, of course. But to who?
Well, you know the people in Washington. Tell them to stop shooting at the aliens.
I'll call Tchaikovsky at HEW.
Yeah, I'll see ya.
Secretary Tchaikovsky, please. Bill Haber calling. Hello, Nat. Bill Haber here. Fine, fine. Listen, Nat, about this alien thing, I think I've gotten it figured out.
I hate turbofish.
How do you feel?
I was fine till I ate this.
Ah, there you are.
Well, do you get everything straightened out?
Oh, I'd say so.
Good.
Dreadful.
Well, we've eliminated war and hunger. We still can't come up with a decent cup of coffee.
You know, George, before all of this alien business, I had some good news for you.
Oh, really?
You remember, of course, I gave you my word that I would cure you.
Yeah, he did say that. He did.
I know it's been a very distressing time for you, but as soon as my augmented programming is complete, you will be cured.